Hi guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this simple scrunchie, and feel free to check out my channel. To start, tie the yarn. In this tutorial, I used an 8-ply span poly for my yarn, but you can use any yarn that you want. I suggest any yarn with thinner threads. Make a single crochet. And then continue on making single crochet around the hair tie. As you can see in this video, I do it carefully so that the hair tie will not get twisted. Make sure that the hair tie is not twisted, and your single crochet should be aligned on one direction only. Repeat until you reach the starting point. So when you reach the starting point, make a slip knot. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochet on the next stitch. So now we have a total of 5 double crochet including the chain 2 at the start. At the 6th stitch, make 2 double crochet. And then repeat the 1 double crochet on the next 5 stitches and 2 double crochet on the 6th stitch. Repeat that all around. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Chain 5. Skip 2 stitches and then make a single crochet on the 3rd stitch. Again, chain 5. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet on the 3rd stitch. And you will repeat the same procedure all around. Make a slip stitch at the chain 1. Chain 5. Single crochet on the first chain 5 space. Again, chain 5, single crochet on the chain 5 space, and you will repeat the same procedure all around. So I only made 2 rounds of chain 5 space, but you can add more rows if you want to. And then at the end, make a slip knot. And to finish it off, cut the yarn. So here's our finished project. So simple and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my channel for more crochet videos. Thank you!